Hello, today is October 11th. We are just going to show you what we noticed with the doors as we just came back into town last night. This is a master bedroom, which you can kind of see. It doesn't close properly. We've never had that issue. Fire door. You have to really slam it just to get it. Never had an issue. Used to bang in like the neighbor's bathroom. Not fully closed on the top. That is from all the moisture from the flooding, so